Definition of fraction. To understand the definition of fraction, think of a meal that everyone likes, the pizza. Whenever you order a box of pizza, you will find that it is often divided into a number of shares. So let's take a box of pizza and then let's cut it. Now let's find out how many slices we have in this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That is 8 slices of pizza. What we have here is just one pizza, but it has been divided into 8 similar amount of shares. That is, each person take the same equal part of this pizza. It is often impossible for a young child to finish the whole box of pizza. So if you are taking this, you only have a part of this whole, right? So that is exactly what a fraction is. That is, if I'm to define a fraction, I would say a fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole number. Just like this pizza, if you take one slice, you have only taken a part of the whole pizza. Likewise, we have numbers that represent a part of a whole number. Now, this is what a fraction looks like. A fraction is often written as, for example, in this case, 1 over 2. You could also have a fraction as 2 over 3. You could have it as 1 over 5, and so on. This is how fractions are written. Now, what do each of these numbers mean? In the case of 1, numbers that are written at the top here, we have what we know as the numerator. At the top of every fraction, you have what we know as the numerator. That is, 1 in this case is the numerator in the fraction 1 over 2. 2 is the numerator in 2 over 3. 1 is the numerator in 1 over 5. We also have what we call the denominator. Denominator is the number that is written under this division line that we have here. That is, the number 2, 3, and 5 are considered denominators in the fraction 1 over 2, 2 over 3, and 1 over 5 respectively. Let's recap what we mean by the word fraction. So, a fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole number. Thank you.